Hey guys, welcome to the Max Invest YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing an overview of the cryptocurrency markets. We do this every single week where we take a look at all of the news that happened in cryptocurrency, and then we have a look at a couple of specific cryptocurrencies, including Chainlink, Ethereum, and some more. Of course, if you enjoy the video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, and you should always do your own research. So, the first big bit of news is that Bitcoin has just reached around $50,000 and Ethereum has reached around $3,200, so all of the cryptocurrencies are going well. Now, in yesterday's video, I showed you that the top performing cryptocurrencies of this week are some of the layer 1 cryptocurrencies that are going absolutely parabolic right now, and there are a few specific reasons for these layer 1s going crazy. However, I did go through that in yesterday's video, and you can watch that if you want to break down on that. Now, the first big bit of news is that Coinbase have announced that they're going to be buying $500 million worth of crypto, putting that crypto in their reserves and continuing to invest 10% of all future profits into cryptocurrencies. Now, they didn't give a breakdown of where they're going to put this money, however, it's likely going to be mostly in Bitcoin and Ethereum and then a couple of altcoins on the side. So, Coinbase have decided to put a lot of money in crypto, and I do believe this has made the markets shoot up, as $500 million is a lot of money and it is a very big buy. Now, the next big bit of news is that TikTok are partnering with a cryptocurrency business called Audius. Audius is very similar to Spotify and it's gone up significantly on this news. However, Audius is trying to be a decentralized version of Spotify, and TikTok have partnered with them, which has resulted in a pretty parabolic price rise for Audius. As you can see, Audius is up around 82% on the week, which is a huge increase in its price on the back of this announcement. The next thing I want to discuss is that regulation for crypto is getting worse and worse over in the United States. Currently, there are only 3 countries in the entire world that have banned cryptocurrency airdrops. Cryptocurrency airdrops are essentially just a cryptocurrency giving out tokens to some of the early users. DYDX, a layer 2 solution on Ethereum, has done this, and Immutable X has also done this, where they give out tokens as an airdrop. However, the US government have said they're not allowing anybody to get these airdrops, and they're saying that this is illegal. I'm not really sure why they're doing this, as it seems like a very weird way to protect users from getting free money. Now, the other 2 countries that prohibit cryptocurrency airdrops are North Korea and Iran, so it is very interesting to see the US in this boat, and I hope this changes soon. Now, the next bit of cryptocurrency news is essentially Uniswap grants have gotten more and more controversial. What has happened a little bit in the past couple of weeks is Uniswap have a very big treasury filled with heaps of Ethereum and money. Essentially, if somebody wants to make a change on Uniswap, say they want to upgrade the network or do something related to Uniswap, they can make a proposal. Now, Uniswap holders of the token, are able to vote on that proposal, and if the majority of holders vote in favor of it, well then it is passed. Now, there has been a lot of controversy and concern over people making proposals to try and loot as much of the treasury as possible and using big whales to help get enough votes to actually do this. However, June Analytics has opposed the new $25 million grant on Uniswap, and a lot of people have woken up to see this, and it does look like a lot of these are starting to get shut down right now, which is quite good. However, this definitely is a problem with proof of stake voting for certain cryptocurrencies, and hopefully it can be further addressed into the future. Anyway, that brings us to the end of our cryptocurrency news for the week. There wasn't too much news, however, crypto did continue to go up. There wasn't any new bad news, just a bit of rehashing over some of the regulatory concerns, which the market have more or less seemed to brush off right now, so everything is looking relatively fine. As we can see, Bitcoin is currently sitting well above its bull market support band, and right now I'm relatively happy to call this a continuation of the bull market. It does seem like we have done a pretty V-shaped recovery, where we went down for a pretty short period of time. As you can see, we just went down, we traded in a bit of a sideways range, and we have came back up. Right now we are consistently closing above the bull market, and it does look like Bitcoin is actually on a recovery and we are bouncing back right now. So overall, this has actually been a lot shorter than I expected the correction to be. I was saying I do think the correction will probably get all the way up to 6 months. However, it does look like we've only had a 3-month correction, which overall isn't that bad. So this has definitely been a lot quicker than what I expected. However, there is a lot of things happening in the market right now, and a lot of people are buying up cryptos. Of course, if Bitcoin can stay above the bull market support band and hang around at $50,000, this will give a lot of room for the altcoins to run. Of course, we can see Ethereum is doing quite a similar thing as to what Bitcoin is doing. However, Ethereum continues to outperform Bitcoin both to the downside and to the upside, so of course I am very bullish on Ethereum. Ethereum is consistently doing better than Bitcoin, and I do believe it has better fundamentals, so I do overall believe it is a lot bigger of an opportunity investing into Ethereum as you do into Bitcoin. Of course, Ethereum is my largest holding in the crypto space, and there is a lot to love about it right now, and the technicals are showing just that. Now, if you watch the channel a lot, you may know that one of the cryptos that I do really like is Chainlink. I hold a lot of Chainlink. In fact, Chainlink is second to my Ethereum position right now, and I do plan to keep it that way. As you can see, Chainlink is currently battling with the bull market support band. Chainlink looks like it has just came up above the bull market support band, and it looks like it's about to get back on track. However, it is yet to actually decisively open and close above the bull market support band. So, what happens is if Bitcoin can continue to hold the line and Ethereum can continue to hold the line and just go decently, I do think Chainlink is going to get a bit of a Chainlink season and a bit of a boom. Chainlink is one of the most fundamentally sound cryptocurrencies, and if you watched all of my videos last week on Chainlink SmartCon, you will know why. Overall, I do believe Chainlink will be able to get back to its old all-time highs of around $50, and I am very, very bullish on Chainlink. Of course, there's a whole bunch of other stuff coming for Chainlink, such as Chainlink staking, which will hopefully be announced later this year, and it does look like there is a very bright future for Chainlink. As you can see, Chainlink has rebounded roughly 140% from its lows, which is a very strong rebound, and I do think this rally can be sustained. If we look at Chainlink's overall long-term trajectory, we can see Chainlink has just gone up and up. Of course, it has had some hiccups like it just had with a huge 70% correction. However, it has gotten back on track and it looks to be trending back up again, breaking through the bull market support band and hopefully continuing this rally. So I am very bullish on Chainlink, and I do think since a lot of the layer 1 cryptocurrencies like Avalanche, Terra, Solana have all had these huge run-ups, I do think Chainlink will be one of the next cryptos to have a huge run-up. I am very bullish on Chainlink, and I think it's going to have its time in the sun sometime soon. Now, the last cryptocurrency that I do want to take a look at quickly is Cardano, and this is mainly because Cardano is going completely parabolic in its lead up to smart contracts. Now, I do think this run-up is not sustainable. As you can see, Cardano's weekly candles have been absolutely insane, and I do expect a pretty big pullback for Cardano sometime soon. However, we will have to wait and see what happens. Anyway, this brings us to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching the video.